Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know it, we got to talk about yesterday's whisper. So yesterday I told you to keep an eye on EEM. All right, bearish below this 34.37 level. Well, guess what? We spotted more prints in the pit yesterday, $34.41. We barely budged, therefore took this as an overnight swing, and you can see it came down a lot this morning. So definitely watch those prints. That's our biggest secret. We kind of got stuck here at 33.80. I'm going to use this 34 level, all right, as a stop loss today. As long as we stay below that, I'm going to stay into my short position. Also told you to keep an eye on Restoration Hardware, right? These stocks, after they come out with earnings, are great day trades. Told you to keep an eye on this 29 level. Let me just blow this up for you so you can see just how great this was. This is a fantastic long right at the bell, went right up to 30, and then when it broke down through the 29 level, a lot of my traders were going short in that. And I believe Daniel had a fantastic trade on that yesterday, so great trading, Daniel. Also told you to keep an eye on the VXX. All right, we saw that there was fear prints that are starting to come into the VXX and the TVIX especially. Told you to watch that 1320 level. Well, guess what? We closed just above that level, and you can see it's having a bit of a rally here. 14 is my first target, 15 is my second target for the VXX. All right, so my traders were rocking it yesterday, but one trader in particular, and he's a new trader, his name is Vernon, and Vernon rocked it yesterday. He was rocking Vail off the print, so fantastic trading off the prints on that one. GDX, Nike, oh wow, my room was rocking Nike. Thank you, Cowboy, for that fantastic call out on that. But Vernon was 6 for 6 yesterday, and then he thanked everybody for being so helpful. Well, thank you, Vernon, for posting up your trades here in the pit every day, and we like having you in the room as well. All right, so what are we watching today? Well, you guys, I'm still bearish on the market, but guess what? The SPY is below a pretty big print level, the 210.92, right? That's a print level from last week. So I'm going to be bearish as long as we stay below that, and I expect to see some prints coming in on the SPY. Here's a small one that just came in, 210.69, which were below, but I expect to see some dark pool action coming into today. If I see them, I'm definitely going to take pictures and post them up there. But yesterday, I posted up a very big print on PayPal, PYPL. A bunch of my traders are short this overnight. This is fantastic. We spotted a 3 million sell print on PayPal at $37.35. So bearish, you could see it close below that, and you can actually still see the volume spike right here. So going to be bearish below that, and I do have a 36 target on PayPal. It'll be my first target, but of course we'll see and watch where the volume is. And I'm still loving the gold trade. All right, I still love it. Today I'm going to be watching the 2650 level on GDX. All right, if she can stay above that, I'm going to be bullish. So come watch me trade these stocks and so many more at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.